My name is Mohamed Pakia. I work with WWF-Kenya as a program coordinator for the terrestrial landscape in the Coastal Kenya project. Under the International Climate Initiative project, IKI, WWF-Kenya has partnered with NEMA and Kenya National Cleaner Production Center to undertake a clean energy project, and this is funded by Federal Ministry of Germany, the Ministry of Environment, Nature Conservation, Building and Nuclear Safety. We are expecting that the private institutions comply with cleaner production by engaging measures that ensure they reduce their footprint in terms of environment pollution.
Some of them get their energy from cutting down the trees there, the mangroves, and using that to run the operations. So the Cleaner Production Center was therefore brought on board to assess how do these businesses use energy? How efficient are they? What are the alternative energy sources that can also help alleviate the pressure from the existing natural resources? We also were looking at how are they utilizing the water? How efficient are they in using the water? And after they use this water, the wastewater resulting out of there, do they treat it to the level required by NEMA and other entities before returning it to the environment?
We have had a program in Kwale County targeting about 14 industries. We selected 6 facilities for in-plant assessments and interventions in terms of providing them interventions for improvement. These industries included 2 hospitality industries, that's the Baobab and Soil Pitch. Then we had the food processing, Kentests and Kenya Pizza. And we had the Agrofiber and Kasemenyi slaughterhouses. We
established most of the companies, they are wasting 30–40% of that water when it can be conserved. In terms of inefficiencies, companies had the potential to actually enhance their efficiency up to about 30% without bringing in any new technology. We were able to help to identify opportunities for investments.
The selected companies gave a number of their staff for training, and the staff were trained in in-house assessments so that they can continue monitoring and giving indications of the direction the companies are taking.
We began by training them, making them aware that by using alternative technologies, by using alternative practices, by using alternative fuels like waste to energy, using waste like coconut husks to generate energy for your process, you can actually be able to reduce your energy bills.
It was an eye-opener. We came down and then we checked on the surcharge, we checked on the electricity bills, and then we discovered that we are paying a lot of money, like 250,000, as a surcharge. So when we came, we found that it's something we can handle. But right now we are actually at 0 surcharge.
Yeah, well, before the training, average amount of water per day was 18 meters cubed. After implementing the necessary measures to cut down consumption and waste of water, we realized that the average amount or consumption per day is 15 meters cubed. So we were able to save 3 meters cubed per day.
The uptake and the willingness was very encouraging because all the industries trained appreciated the interventions of compliance assistance, and especially on the cleaner production approach.
Initially we had the vertical boilers, which we are using IDO, that is industrial diesel oil, which is a bit not environmental friendly. Our boilers now are currently using treated water. We no longer now have that adverse effects of corrosion. The water is already softened, so it will take lower time to be heated up to generate the steam so that we can pump that to the calorifiers to heat the water system.
WWF was a key sponsor of the Kwale program, and it enabled to have technical officers, that is the resource efficiency and the cleaner production experts, to be on the ground, to recruit those industries, train them, and provide the necessary guidance that is now enabling them to implement whatever they have been guided on. WWF has been a very critical partner, especially with NEMA, in terms of ensuring that we manage our ecosystem sustainably without necessarily degrading them. Compliance is a win-win situation because the facilities comply with the legal requirements. At the same time, they employ efficient systems which enable them to save money and their resources. A reduction of pollution in that particular area of Kwale will go a great way to assist the ecosystem there to enjoy a clean and healthy environment. At the same time, enable the industries to sustainably manage and produce their products.